Hello. In this short video, I would like to demonstrate to you the healing sound and inner smile. There are many ways of doing this: long, short, detailed, less detailed. This is quite a short version, but I find that this is the version that I'm more likely to do. And so basically it goes along the 5 elements theory, the creation cycle, which means that all the elements, if they go according to a certain direction, they support each other. We have 5 elements: fire, earth, metal, water, and wood. And if they go in the same direction, as I mentioned, fire creates ashes, which strengthens the earth. Earth, when it's dense and heavier, it becomes minerals and metal. So that's where it creates that. And so basically we say fire supports earth, earth supports metal. Metal now attracts water and rain. And also you could put minerals in the water and that enriches it. So metal supports water. When you pour water over wood, the trees grow. So water supports wood. And when you put wood in the fire, then the fire burns. So that's also water. Wood also supports fire. So the healing sounds, each organ, each element relates to an organ, and each element holds specific negative emotions, which we release with the healing sounds. And then we smile into the organs, and that activates the virtue or the positive energy of each organ. So as we go along, I will explain to you. Let's start by the heart. So the heart, the negative emotion is hatred, cruelty, impatience. And the healing sound for this ha. So you could also rub your knuckles in between the rib cage, because this is where the emotional residue gathers. So you could do this to break up the emotional residue of hatred, cruelty. And actually heart is the master organ, so it's all the emotions affect it. And so we do the healing sound for it. The healing sound for the heart, you bring the hands together and go slightly to the right to open the heart area, looking up with the eyes open. Releasing hatred and cruelty. Let's do this 3 times. And now with heart, this is the thymus gland, so this creates smiling energy. So tap the thymus gland, starting to create the smile, inner smile. And then place the hands on or above the heart and smile into the heart. Each organ is a spirit of its corresponding element. So it's definitely intelligent and it responds to you how you treat it. So smiling to the heart with love and appreciation, the fire intelligence. Thanking your heart for all the work that it does. And seeing the heart smiling back, thereby activating the virtue of love and joy, abundance, gratitude, patience, acceptance. At home, of course, you could do this longer, but this is all the information you need. Heart now, fire supports earth. Earth is spleen. Fire turns to ashes. Ashes strengthens earth. Spleen is on the left rib cage. It holds worry and anxiety. The healing sound for it is, it's like a guttural who. So the way we do the healing sound is first focus on the anxiety and worry, anything to do with the future that you want to release. Make what we call the chi knife. You breathe in, place under the left rib cage, bend forward, eyes open, looking forward. Release all the anxiety and worry. Do this 3 times. And now place the hand on the spleen, pancreas, and it's also connected with stomach here. Smile into the spleen. Breathe in yellow light. Love, appreciation, gratitude. The organs don't understand the language, English language or any other language, but they understand your feelings and your intention. Smile into the spleen. Love and appreciation. And see the spleen smiling back. And when it does, it activates its virtue, which is harmony, fairness, openness, trust, balance, of course, being grounded. Like a tree that's got good roots so it can reach, the branches could reach the sky. And the trust of somebody who knows earth is supporting. So the yellow light expands and nourishes all the cells with these qualities. Now earth supports metal. Metal is the lungs. They hold grief and sadness. And the healing sound for it is like a continuous lots of S's. So we bring the hands to fingertips close to each other, focus on all the grief and sadness, going straight up, looking up, eyes open. Release the sadness. We do that 3 times. You could do it as often as you want. And now bring your hands on the lungs, smiling into the lungs with love and appreciation. Color of the metal element is white or silver white, so breathing this color into the lungs, strengthening the lungs. Smiling and transmitting gratitude and thankfulness to the lungs, to the metal intelligence, discipline, clarity. This is an earthy spirit. Smiling to the lungs and see the lungs smile back, activating the virtue of courage, strength, and beauty. Feel the white light expanding with these qualities into every area of the body. And now metal supports water, which is the kidneys. Kidneys hold fear and phobia. And the healing sound for them is chew. It's like a chew with a whistle at the end of it. So focus on any fear and phobia that you may have, spiders, germs, anything that bothers you in that department. And now we do the healing sound. If you are sitting down, you bring your hands onto the knees. And as we're standing, I like to bring the hands like this. You bend forward to open the kidneys. And if your balance is good, you also come up just on your toes because you've got the kidney one under the foot, the soles of the feet. So focus on the fear and phobia to release. Breathe in. Looking forward, eyes open. Once more, breathe in. Once more, breathe in. Now smile into the kidneys, the water intelligence, the water element. Blue light, blue color. Breathing blue light into the kidneys. Thanking the kidneys for all the work they do, keeping you alive. Very important. Smile into the kidneys with gratitude, with thankfulness. Kidneys like being warm, so just touching them and rubbing them is good. And that's why we also do the lumbar open, because this makes more space for them here. Especially that kidneys are to do with willpower. It's very important to keep the kidneys happy. Smiling into the kidneys with love and appreciation. And see the kidneys feeling acknowledged. Smile back. This activates the virtue of gentleness, inner calm, inner wisdom, peacefulness, and of course, willpower. This willpower is a gentle thing, like a gentle stream that it carves its path through the rocks. Just having steady, gentle action, moving one direction, creates results. Feel this blue light expanding and nourishing every cell, every dimension of your being. And now water supports wood. And wood is the liver on the right-hand side, biggest organ from the right rib cage all the way onto the under the left nipple. Place your hand there. Color is green, breathing green light into the liver. The wood intelligence, freedom. I forgot to do the healing sound for it. So we do the healing sound for it. Liver holds stress and anger. And the healing sound for it is shh, like silencing an angry child. So we interlace the fingers, connect onto your anger, stress, envy, and going to the left to open the liver. Shh. Eyes open. Breathe in once more. Shh. And now smiling into the liver, breathing the green light, thankfulness, gratitude, loving our liver. Let the liver know you appreciate it. Sending love and appreciation and gratitude to the liver, smile to the liver. And liver now smiles back at you by activating his virtue of generosity, kindness, forgiveness. And see the green light expanding those qualities. And see yourself moving through life with those qualities, being kind, generous, forgiving. And now we've done one cycle. Now wood supports fire. So if you now smile, you feel there's a bigger smile. And every time you go around this circle, this cycle, the nourishing cycle, the smile is multiplied. To finish off, we also got one more healing sound called he, and it's to bring the heat down. So you breathe in. Do that 3 times. Now just bring all the energies into the belly. This is where we store the energies. Staring 9 times or more one direction. And 6 times or more the other direction. So thank you very much. I hope this has been of some benefit to you. And I'll see you next time.